and welcome to Monday's Assembly. It's a challenge assembly. Now, the last week we had Betty, our superhero bunny, with us for every assembly, which was very special. She's not with us today because she has gone off to another school to help them to be brave and be superheroes. But she has told me she will be returning. Now, as I said, this is a challenge assembly, and all year long we have been learning British Sign Language, and all of you have been absolutely amazing with your sign language. And today you're going to be learning some new signs. And I think they'll be really good signs for you to learn, and they're ones that you'll be able to use both at school and at home. The first word you're going to learn is help, right? It's really easy. You have your flat palm, your hand, and then thumb up, and then help. Help. Yes? So you have a go. Help. Now, you can use help in like a statement. So you could go, help me. So you can ask someone to help me. Can you help me? Or can I help you? And it goes towards you. So help me or help you. You go have a go. Can you help me or help you? Now, fantastic. We can ask for help, and we can ask others if they need help. So I'm really proud of it. That's really important. Those kind of words show us that we care for each other and that we're not scared to ask for help, because sometimes we just need a little help. Now, the next word is again. Now, I tell you how to do things again and again. So this is going to be a good one for us to learn. And it's really just 2 fingers, again. Again. Help me or help you, again. Again. It's just 2 fingers, again. So let's do something again. Help. Help me, help you, again. You do it again. Wow, isn't that fantastic? So we have some really useful words that we can use both at home and at school. The challenge this week is make sure that you practice these signs. Now, what I would love for you to do is go on Twitter or send some videos to your teachers on Tapestry or on Teams and show us you using the signs that you have been learning. We would love to see them, and if you want me to put them on our next assembly, just tell your teacher and we'll do that. Next week, we have a really big challenge that's coming up, and I can't wait to talk about it, but shh. I'm not going to say anything yet. Now, I think it's time for us to have a story. Today, we're going to learn about the crow and the pitcher. This is an Aesop fable, which always has a moral to the story. And a pitcher is really just a jug. So now it's time to hear the crow and the pitcher. There was once a crow that was very thirsty. He came upon a pitcher which was only half full of water. When the crow put its beak into the mouth, he found that he couldn't reach the water. He tried and he tried, but at last he had to give up in despair. Then a thought came to him, and he took a pebble and dropped it into the pitcher. Then he took another pebble and dropped it into the pitcher. Then he took another pebble, and he kept dropping them into the pitcher. Then, at last, he saw the water mount up near him, and after casting a few more pebbles, he was able to quench his thirst and save his life. The moral to the story is that at first you don't succeed. Try again. That's called perseverance. Remember our motto? Persevere, believe, achieve. Don't give up. If your first solution doesn't solve the problem, think of another solution. All right, everyone, it's time for a new week. Lots to do. If you need any help, make sure that you let your class teachers know, and we'll be helping you as quick as a flash. Again, bye. Have a good week.